Hello guys, so today we are talking about the filter method of Stream API. So we are finding the even number using Stream API. Okay, so Stream is basically used for the processing the collection of object. It reduce the lines of code. Okay, so now we are writing the code for that. So firstly we are writing the main method. In that, okay, we are creating the array list. Type is integer. We need to import it. Okay, so in list we need to add the element 1, 2, 6, 10, 18. Okay, so if you are following the traditional approach, we want to write the more number of no more number of lines of code. Okay, so firstly we are writing the code using the traditional method. Okay, so firstly we want to create new array list for the storing the even number. Okay, so here we are writing the list for the even number. So firstly we want to iterate the element right from the list. If you are following the traditional approach, so we want to write the for loop for that. And I now want to get the element from the list. Okay, so here we want to check the element is even or not. So I %2 equal to 0. If it is even, so we want to add element into the even list. Okay, so even dot add I. Okay, and here we are just printing the list using traditional method. Okay, so using traditional method, here is the code. So here is the output for that. Okay, here is a printing the even number using traditional method. So now we are writing the code for the stream API. Okay, using stream API we are finding the even number from the list. So here we want to write the code uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines of code we want to write here for if you are using the traditional approach. So now we are using stream API. Okay, so we can write the code into the only one line. Okay, so using stream API. Okay, so just we want to get the stream of numbers. So firstly we want to store we want to create the array list for the storing a one element, right? So we are creating the list for that integer even number. Okay, so just we want to get the stream of that list. Okay, now we are writing the filter method. Okay, in filter method we are just checking the element is even or not. So we are passing the lambda here and we are just checking that element is even or not. So if element is even, so now we want to collect into the list. Okay, so we are collecting that element and adding into the list. Okay, so just here is the code complete, and here we are printing the list of even number using stream API. Okay, so we are in the code. Okay, so here is a printing, the output is same. Okay, exact same. Here is a printing the even number from the list. So if you are writing the code using traditional approach, so here is a we need to write the code 6 line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but here is a using stream API, you can write the code into the only one line. Okay, so here is the beauty of stream API actually. Okay,